Hi, thanks for joining. Video I have unboxing of the Nubia Focus 2 Ultra 5 grams. We must begin. This device launched in Mexico for 5,499 pesos. You see the reference price on screen in dollars to give an idea, but keep in mind prices. This content differs from the... Come, let's remove the contents. Check the box contents is included, so I want to clarify. Important, this is a package for you. Press. Some content will not be in the commercial version. Then I will tell you what it is, what's included with your purchase. You purchase it as it's discounted only on Mercado Libre. Let's remove the contents of this enormous box. It's truly a very huge. That's all for this part. Is what's included in the box. Commercial. Here is the press kit we compiled. It's sent directly to this place. It is the cell phone that comes with some things, standout display, like it's straightening a screen, and that's it. In a moment we see the complete list of its specifications. For now, let me take this cell phone out of this shield to prepare and ready whenever we decide to give it a wider tour. Here it is. Has an appealing design. It might even seem like a device. Costlier, yet soon we'll discuss the remaining features. For now, note that here comes simply the quick reference guides for use. Here's the key to remove SIM tray and well, usually included items in all cell phones. Here's what's next. We found more papers, but they're from the stabilizer that is provided and included here. Then this isn't part of the phone box, but let's see what else we have here. To locate with a holster, something that is crucial. Interestingly, 2 holsters per here, the classic semi-transparent case, and in this instance, semi-rigid. It is also with rigid edges. Ensure the device is protected from any potential kind of drops. Check how it appears with the holster. The truth is, which is nice as it has a hint, matte, so it won't reflect. And retains here the access to the ring on the module, cameras. That's the holster, basic included holster. Also, there is an additional holster that is included. This particular case, it also doesn't come in the commercial packaging. It's just part of the demo of Nubia's capabilities as part of from the press kit. Then watch how in this case it adds to the purer style of the flagships of a small grip for easier device handling, the device more comfortably when you are taking photographs. And even here there's a hook for, you can also hang this chain, easy to carry your mobile phone for capturing photographs. The proposal is truly interesting for all the accessories that even on the cell phone you could use. You could store something right here on the inside if you want to use that space, because by default we usually say it does not include any extra battery or additional power source or anything else besides this. Inside the box it will still be included. Well, we have the charger right here, as you can see. Obviously here it is. Let's take a look at its power. In this particular case, we're discussing a 33-watt charger, which I believe for the price range, let's say it's expected there'd be to test it and see if it utilizes all its power, or perhaps it remains distant. But also, in addition to the charger, we are going to find with the USB to USB-C cable, we're going to, for use when applying it to, when charging, always use the original cable to enjoy of the highest power level it can support. This charger, those are the items in the box. Now let's examine closer. Accessory near the cell phone, though it was just. Let me show you the additional accessory sent to me, though I insist this isn't in the commercial box. It's not for sale, so I don't find it useful. They send us these accessories if by the end of the user can. But I show you this is a gimbal that you could actually also to enhance the experience. It seems that it did not come directly from Nubia, but from a brand called FontSnap. Well, that's what is coming over here, you know. And it seems that there is also some kind of a tripod that is actually quite compact and easy to carry around. Right here, the legs are most likely going to come out, and that's it. So it's a kit to improve the photography experience. Using the phone here offers control and more, yet we won't focus too much on. Focus on these accessories in this case if it is coming directly from Nubia. But I insist that we won't pay special. Pay attention because these are not available for sale in Mexico. And here still comes the cable, charging the stabilizer, a tiny magnetic ring to aid putting together and taking apart the cell phone. That's what's included. Now let's take a direct look at it. The cell phone. Brief glance at the Nubia Focus 2 Ultra is 7.5 millimeters thick and it weighs around 196 grams. It's a mid-range, so we won't find it too new in design, but it will. Button to focus and highlight. The photo includes a button dedicated on the side, and alongside its rotating ring to manage the zoom and integrates a screen. The 6.8-inch diagonal with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It's an AMOLED screen resolution of 2392 x 1080 pixels, so provides great quality, covers 100% of that IP3 spectrum to many colors, so there is no screen complaint. It's a screen. Performs excellently in a segment. The device also has stereo, a speaker one more in the earphone area, a speaker for calls, but know that they're simple speakers, meaning certainly have stereo sound, but they sound quite bad practically, emit solely mid frequencies, and furthermore that the sound is actually quite annoying because I recommend it if it's your priority, is sound. The front cam is of 32 megapixels with f2.42 aperture. There's the comparison view between the prior screenshot, before and after taking the picture. The photo is taken, it looks good. Backlight processing, the level of detail suffices, though not like 32 megapixels. The photo has 32 megapixels resolution of 32 megapixels, but honestly, I think of them as interpolated pixels, perhaps. Watch your back, where you find 3 cameras. The main camera will be 50 megapixels, here with a single envelope sensor, 1.55 inches, f1 aperture, 47 point. It's a bright lens, so evenings should provide good results. Next will be the ultra wide camera though, just 5 megapixels with f aperture 2.2 and focus are fixed. Finally, there's the camera depth. You might refer to it as a depth. Marketing, since it won't, as expected, you can utilize the rotating ring to make adjustments. The zoom of this device then, it's simply interesting, an intriguing addition as it truly, through the screen, you can, but the experience by rotating the entire ring. With that sound and feedback, the tap felt on your finger is quite premium and interesting, something we haven't discovered in others. Our smartphones. It's curious to see the mid-range. It's an extra detail of the phone, and as I mentioned, overall, with their button, they give you some highlights regarding the photography experience. However, let's go ahead and examine the results in detail. Here, for example, you are seeing the result. Ultra-wide camera's color is quite. Color rendition is complex too, doesn't seem very accurate, and it also lacks nothing extraordinary or special. Color reproduction, the primary camera keeps color rendering somewhat artificial. It doesn't appear very natural. The degree of details are fine. The truth is, it's not exceptional in the camera as it appears with the name of the device. Notice 3 times zoom photos really seems to lack optical quality or anything like in some way shows the interface of user. Then there's digital zoom. You're just watching the zoom 5x where it continues to attempt to compete, but it doesn't reach so excellent in the max zoom that it's a 10:1 device designed to be very prominent in the camera. I think it doesn't quite reach the top tier, average, so I doubt it. The camera to be so outstanding, though the experience is very intriguing for the spinning ring, and by using the dedicated button specifically for recording video. The front camera lets us up to full HD, and on the front, the rear camera also includes up to full HD by default, but here we can reach up to, something that indeed comes to the forefront in its price range, though it would. To observe the outcomes at a later point in time, the device includes a built-in battery of 5000 mAh supporting 33 watts with the charger included in the box. I think it'll be, on average, it must be placed to verify if it fully utilizes this ability of the battery or squeezing it to the max, as the figure is. The average of mobile cellular phones, I think by 2025, manufacturers are increasingly boosting the battery's theoretical capacity. But remember, one thing is capability, and another aspect is the real life. The battery life, as we'll show in the tests I'll tell you about, complete review, the device. Luckily, it includes Android 15. If factory upgraded though, it's not expected to have an excellent update policy, but the positive is it comes with 8 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabytes storage. Theoretically, it lets you, the experience is very smooth. You have multiple apps open. The processor is Unisoc T8100, which is a new name, but is essentially naming processors, the predecessors of Unisoc, as you know, so strong, but in the whole catalog, Unisoc is among the strongest processors. In single core, it gave us 739 points, and in multi-core, it achieved 2,304 points. a bit higher than the Helio G99, better than the well-known Helio G99. So it's no surprise at this price, but I think that is coming to compete adequately enough. Well, it really depends on your specific user profile. That's all for now. This video, remember that soon we'll share the video full review. If you enjoyed it, indicate it, and see you on next.